Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project with a crest by Vida Realty located in Baikala, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And as you can see, this over here is the actual land parcel of the project where the construction has already started. And now talking about the project overview, this project will be consisting of one tower of ground plus 23 story having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located diagonally opposite to Baikala railway station near S Bridge. From where Baikala railway station is at distance of 100 meters, S Bridge is at distance of 100 meters, you have Eastern Express Highway at a distance of 2 minutes and Bandra Worli Sea Link is only at a distance of 10 minutes from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project will have with gym, clubhouse, lush landscape garden, energetic outdoor arena, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now speaking of configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 445 to 447 square feet and 2 BHK in the carpet area of 568 to 590 square feet. Now let's talk about the booking process. The booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying EOI amount for 5 lakhs for 1 BHK and 2 BHK both. This EOI will come with multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts. Token holders will be given preference over and above others. Second, preference in flat selection, which means the token holders will be called first on the day of the launch to select their preferable flat. And third is 100% refundable, which means if the client doesn't want to proceed for any reason, the token will be 100% refundable without any deduction. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project with a crest by Vida Realty located in Baikala, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.